Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cast your screen from an Android phone on TOSHIBA 32WA2363DG. First of all, your phone and TV need to be on the same network. Then simply on your phone you'll need to go to the option of casting, and on different Android phones unfortunately it is in completely different places, so you'll just need to know where to find it on your phone. Go to the settings. In my case I have the Pixel phone. You can go to connected devices. I believe that's where I've been recently when I was doing it. So yeah, let's go to connection preferences, then go to cast Android TV. I think because this is the Android TV, I'm gonna select cast entire screen and cast screen. This is basically the name of the TV, so if it's different in your case, then it'll display differently. Now you can see it is displaying my screen. It's casting everything. I can do whatever I want here, and when I'm ready, I can to finish, I can click on the button at the top, and then click on stop casting. And that will be about it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.